Hi, it's Lens here. Today I'm going to share 2 ingredient recipes again. This healthy ingredient is potato. I'm going to talk about 3 main benefits of potato. The first one is potatoes are a good source of vitamin C. It's good for our skin and immunity. And the second one is, you can tell on the picture, it's good for our metabolism because potatoes are a good source of vitamin B6. It can supply energy for our body. And the last one is, it's good for our heart health because potato contain fiber, potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6. They can support our heart health. So let's start to make this easy and simple snacks. These 2 ingredients recipe, we only need a potato and olive oil spray. Give our potato a wash, peel off the skin. And slice my potato. Looks like this bin. Wash out the potato starch. Dry the potato on a paper towel. Place another paper towel on the top. Absorb the water. Spray the olive oil on the plate. Put the potato on the top. Spray another layer of olive oil. Put into microwave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, see? Let me take it out. Like flip over. And then I put it back to the microwave for another 30 seconds. Oh yeah, my potatoes are so good! Check out my potato chips. It's very easy. Listen. It's really healthy, crunchy, and no salt, no sugar at all. You can do it at home too. It's very easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time, and welcome to check out my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Oh no, stop eating because it's so tasty and very crunchy. Bye bye.